Every now and then, you come across discussions or mentions of blockchain technology. But what exactly is blockchain technology? You are listening to Effortless EDU, and we will explain, what is blockchain? Blockchain technology is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. It is designed to be transparent, secure, and tamper-resistant. The basic concept of a blockchain involves a blockchain, each containing a list of transactions. These blocks are linked using cryptographic hashes, creating an immutable and transparent record of all transactions. Didn't get it? Here is a more straightforward explanation with an example. Imagine a big book that everyone in the world has a copy of. This book is called a blockchain. In this book, everyone writes down every time someone buys something. For example, if you buy a toy from your friend, you would write down in the book that you bought a toy from your friend. Your friend would also write down in the book that you bought a toy from them. This way, everyone knows who owns what. If someone tries to change the book, everyone else will know because their copy of the book will not match. This makes it very difficult to cheat or steal. That makes blockchain a more secure technology that can be used to keep track of money, property, and even votes. One of the most important features of blockchain is transparency, where all transactions are visible to all participants in the network. It fosters accountability and trust among users, as any attempted fraudulent activity can be easily detected and traced back to its source. We hope you now have a solid grasp of what blockchain is and how it works. But why keep this knowledge to yourself? Share your newfound understanding with others who may not be familiar with blockchain. See you in the next video with another topic on Effortless EDU. Thanks for watching.